So welcome back in this video guys. In this video I am going to share you how you can create your Salesforce account. So let me share my screen. So firstly you have to go on Google Chrome and you can go with any browser, whatever browser you have. So firstly after come in Google you have to search salesforce.com, salesforce.com. So, as you know, so basically Salesforce is a world's number one CRM, customer relationship management tool, which is used by big businesses for manage their business. They can use this CRM tool. So after put this salesforce.com URL, you have to click on login button. After login button, if you have already your username and password, so you can just paste your and put your username and password, and you can just directly log in. And if you don't have any username or password, you first time login in salesforce.com, so you have to click on try for free. So after that, you have to mention your first name, last name, your work email. You can put here your active email, because on that email Salesforce give you activation mail. So make sure that you have put your working email here. After that, you can select your any job role, whatever you want to select, like developer, operation, marketing, whatever you want to select. So I can just select developer, and you can here mention any company name, whatever you want to mention according to you. It depends on you. In employees, you just select on employees, and in phone number, you need to mention your mobile number, 10 digits mobile number, right? After that, you have to click on I agree to the main service agreement. After that, you have to click on start my free trial. Actually I am not clicking here because I have already my account in salesforce.com. So you have to follow these steps for making your account. So after starting my free trial, you will get a verification mail on your official mail that you have mentioned here, like work email. After that, you have to open that mail, and you have to click on accept or submit button, so that salesforce.com will verify your email. So now I am sharing you how salesforce.com interface looks like. So here is my email and here is my password. So I am logging here. So after login here, you can see this is my company name, Interlogic Solution Developer, my salesforce.com. So whatever company you have mentioned, you can see here. So basically this is the interface of Salesforce. So basically Salesforce have a two interface. First is Lightning, and the second one is Lightning, and first one is. So here is the Lightning web component, like Lightning experience in Salesforce, and second one is Classic. There are two interface in Salesforce. So basically Lightning experience is a updated version and Classic is old version. So 95% works are happen in Lightning experience, not in Classic experience. Only 5% tasks are mainly used in Classic version. So here is the Lightning experience. Actually, my internet connection is disturbing. I have to open again.